Hi and welcome to my channel, Journal Éclectique. My name is Carole and today I'm going to stencil up this journal to make it a little more grungy or dirty, depending on how you see it. I will, as you can see on this picture, I've also added a topper on the front of the journal. Now, for the grungy side of things, I've decided to use vintage photo as a ink and this a few stencils. So this one is the one where it's a little more organic stencil, so a lot more curve, less geometric. The other ones, the big white ones, are more geometric to fill a bit more space. So when I was thinking about grunging this journal, I was thinking where would the dirty part go and where the cleanest part would be, and I also tried to make the stencil faded, so as if they were old and used. And for this journal, it will be a short journal, but I will, not a short journal, but a short video, because this is more like a process video. And I'm simply showing you where I've decided to put them and how it actually looks while I'm doing it. There's also, as you can see, on the right, there's a little star, flower star. And there I've added those on the tabs of the journal cards to make them pretty with the bulb pins. Now the white, not the white, but the corners of the cards will always be a little bit more dirty, since that's where we usually hold things. And for my next projects, I will think about either coffee dyeing the backs of those pages, because it's very white, and since I don't like using double-sided pages for a project like that, since one side will always get hidden, then I probably will do exactly that, a big session of just coffee dyeing those papers and put them under something really heavy, and over time they will flatten up pretty well. So for the rest of the video, I will show you my process, and I will show you what stencil I'm using, but that's pretty much it. So really would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel for more content, that you hit the like button and leave me a comment. It will help my channel grow and me at the same time. So I'll see you in the next videos, but for now I will leave you with the music. So bye bye.